Pat Walker here with Mission Winners. Time for the top stocks this week that you should have on your watch list. Specific order, but these are all leading stocks and leading groups. First one, Spotify, SPOT. At Mission Winners, something we've refined is focusing on clean and simple bases that are easy to see. Why? If it's easy for me to see and for you to see, it's most likely easy for others to see. Does that not increase the probabilities that A, they see it, and B, they'll buy? Sure. So we're going sideways right here on Spotify. Group rank 3. It's an A+ rated group. A, accumulation distribution. Composite rating's 98. Last quarter's earnings up 363%. They're looking for a 304% increase in earnings this year over last year. You can see the simple base. What's the high on this bar? 485.46. This could be a potential buy at 485.50. 485.50. Now, what's it going to need? There's some constraints here. It's going to need a good market. The Mission Winners comes first, the markets. A good market and breaking through these tops, this simple line here with volume. There you go, Shopify. Let's get on to the next one. What do you say? Shopify, group rank 17, earnings per share rank 99, composite rating 99. A, accumulation distribution. You can see these clean and simple tops right here. Last quarter's earnings up 167%. Last quarter sales up 26%. Again, composite rating 99. They're looking for a 72% increase in earnings this year over last year. You can see these clean and simple tops right there. Just take this out at 116.40. And it's going to need a good market and push through with good price action and good volume on Shopify. Let's do another one, shall we? Apple. You could say, well, apple on my eye. You can say, well, I don't really see anything here. Watch this. This is why it's important to look at weekly charts too. I just scrunched this up. This is a daily chart. You can see these tops right here. Again, it's a max list stock. That's the key. Earnings per share rank 90, composite rating 91. Accumulation distribution is C. If it starts to live through here, that will quickly pick up, okay? And again, composite rating 91. Take out the tops of this bar, and it's a max list stocks, folks. 237.90 on Apple, 237.90 in a good market with volume. Let's move on to the next one. Amazon. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah, it's a max list stock. Earnings per share rank 79. Composite rating is 93. B- accumulation distribution. Last quarter's earnings up 52%. And this says it all. It's a max list stock. Big name stocks. Up on heavy volume here. Basing sideways, the high on this bar is $208. The high on this bar is $208.20. Potential buy, $208.30 in a good market with volume. Just going sideways, you can see that base right there. That's what we look for. And again, composite rating 93. We love that. That's a big deal. Here we go, Meta. Meta is a max list stock. You can see the base forming across here. Earnings per share rate 96, composite rating 95. Folks, that's power. Relative strength's 84. It's been lagging here a little bit. Why? Because the stock's been lagging a little bit. But you see the 50 days, the green line? If it can push through these tops here with volume and a good market, folks, it's Meta. It's a max list stock. That's no guarantee it's going to work, but it sure does increase the probabilities that it will. Take out the top of this bar at 578.50. That's what we're looking for. And again, in a good market. And this is a very important tactic. I taught this at IBD meetups for 12 years on the big stage. We never buy a full position at one time. Remember that. Remember that. Start small and add to it only if price and volume is working for you. If not, you've controlled risk. And as it continues onwards, you add to it. There we go. And that works great. I've done it that way for years, decades. What the heck? NVDL, Nancy Victor David Led. This is related to NVIDIA, okay? And I like these setups. It's an ETF. Why? You can own the stock basically with a much less financial risk, financial exposure going across these tops. Now you can see it found support on the 50-day. I have to share this with you. Accumulation distribution is C. We'd like that to lift off. So what does that mean? It needs to lift above these tops, and it needs to lift above these tops with volume. That's the key. What's the high on this bar? 73.07. High on this bar, 72.96. I just want to take this out at 73.10. What's it going to need? All of these. It needs a good market. That's the Mission Winners. Good market, good price action, and good volume action. Again, visiting back to it, volume is the power that lifts the ship off the pad.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.